In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog post template in Wix. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their blog creation process and ensure consistency across all their posts. Let's dive in and get started. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Once there, you should see a menu bar at the top. Look for the section labeled Resources. Clicking on this will present you with a range of options and tools that Wix offers to enhance your web designing experience. Once you've clicked on Resources, the next step is to select Wix. This will lead you directly to a comprehensive area full of tools and services offered by Wix. It can be a little overwhelming at first with so many choices available, but not to worry. We're going to focus on exactly what you need to create an effective and well-structured blog post template. Next, direct your attention to the Wix Templates section. This is the magical place where you can browse and preview various design templates for websites. It's an invaluable resource, not just for creating blog post templates, but for any web design needs you might have in the future. In the Wix Templates area, use the search function to look for blog. This will filter the available options to those specifically tailored for blogging, saving you time and keeping you focused on your goal. Once you have searched for blog, you will be presented with a multitude of visually appealing and well-structured blog templates. Each one is tailored for different types of content and personal aesthetics, so take your time scrolling through the options. Preview a few templates to get a feel for the layout, functionality, and overall vibe each one offers. Remember, there's no rush here. Picking a template that resonates with your style and that suits your blogging needs is important. When you find a template that you feel fits your brand and style, go ahead and select it. A pop-up window will show additional details about the template, allowing you to view more screenshots and information before you make your final decision. Once you are satisfied with your choice, you'll want to click on the button to begin personalizing it for your use. Keep in mind that while these templates offer a strong starting point, you can customize every element to truly make it your own. Adjust the fonts, colors, and images to align with your branding. Don't hesitate to experiment with different elements until you find the perfect setup. Customizing your template will not only give you a cohesive look, but also save you time as you continue to post new content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully started creating a blog post template in Wix. The template will serve as a valuable tool, helping you maintain consistency and enjoy a more efficient blogging process. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging.